Is your laptop overheating, refusing to charge, or suddenly shutting down? Before you spend hundreds, or even thousands, on a replacement, watch this complete laptop teardown where we reveal exactly how the motherboard, battery, and cooling fan work, and why they fail. In this step-by-step guide, you'll learn how laptops actually work. The real reasons motherboards fail. Warning signs your battery is dying. What causes fans to stop cooling? Beginner electrical safety tips. Repair versus replace. When fixing makes financial sense. Whether you're a beginner, DIY enthusiast, student, remote worker, or business owner, this video could save you serious money. Warning: attempt repairs only if you feel confident and safe. Like this video if you enjoy saving money. Subscribe for more repair guides. Share with someone about to replace their laptop. Before you throw away that slow, overheating, and frustrating laptop, let me ask you something. What if the problem is just a $20 part? What if you could fix it in under an hour? What if replacing it is the worst financial decision you could make today? Today, we're opening a laptop completely. Not just for fun, but to show you exactly what's inside, why it fails, and whether repairing it is actually worth your money. And trust me, what you're about to see could save you hundreds, maybe even thousands of dollars. Let's begin. How a laptop actually works. Most people use laptops every day, but almost nobody understands what's happening inside. Think of your laptop like a tiny digital city. The motherboard is the highway system, connecting everything together. The battery is the power plant. And the cooling fan? That's your emergency temperature control. Without it, your laptop would literally cook itself. When you press the power button, 1. The battery sends power to the motherboard. 2. The motherboard wakes the processor. 3. The processor loads your operating system. 4. The fan begins regulating temperature. All of this happens in seconds. Pretty incredible, right? But here's the scary part. Every single one of these components will fail eventually. The question is not if, it's when. The teardown. Build curiosity. All right, moment of truth. We're opening it up. If you've never seen inside a laptop before, prepare to be surprised. Look how compact everything is. There is zero wasted space. First, the battery. Notice the slight swelling? That's not normal. Lithium batteries expand as they degrade. Warning signs you might recognize. Laptop dies quickly. Won't hold a charge. Gets unusually warm. Trackpad starts lifting. Ever experienced that? Most people ignore it until the laptop stops turning on completely. Next, the cooling fan. Look at that dust buildup. Dust is the silent killer of electronics. When airflow gets blocked, heat rises. Performance drops. Components degrade faster. Overheating alone can shorten a laptop's lifespan by years. Now ask yourself, when was the last time you cleaned your laptop? Exactly. Now, the motherboard. This is the brain. Also, the most expensive part to repair. Notice any burn marks, corrosion, loose connectors? Even a tiny electrical surge can damage these circuits. And once the motherboard goes, many people assume the laptop is finished. But not always. Why laptops fail? Let me reveal something shocking. Most laptop failures are preventable. Here are the biggest causes. Heat, the #1 enemy. Using laptops on beds, couches, or pillows blocks airflow. You're basically wrapping your computer in a blanket. Power surges. Cheap chargers destroy motherboards. Always use certified adapters. Saving $15 can cost you $800. Liquid damage. Coffee, water, even humidity. Liquids cause microscopic corrosion that spreads over time. Sometimes the laptop dies months later, and you never connect the dots. Battery neglect. Keeping your laptop plugged in 24/7 stresses the battery. Let it cycle occasionally. Your future self will thank you. Beginner Electrical Safety Guide. Before attempting any repair, please remember this: unplug everything. Hold the power button for 10 seconds to discharge energy. Never puncture a battery. Avoid metal tools near circuits. And most importantly, if you feel unsure, call a professional. Saving money is smart. Risking injury is not. Common electrical mistakes beginners make. Want to know how most DIY repairs go wrong? Watch out for these. Mixing screws. Some are different lengths. Wrong ones can damage the board. Forgetting thermal paste. Without it, your processor overheats fast. Pulling cables instead of connectors. Skipping organization. Pro tip: use a small container or magnetic mat. Your sanity will remain intact. Repair versus replace. Is it worth it? Here's the question everyone wants answered. When should you repair? Repair if battery replacement is under $100. Fan cleaning fixes overheating. Storage upgrade improves speed. Replace if motherboard repair exceeds half the laptop value. Device is over 6 to 8 years old. Software updates are no longer supported. Remember, the cheapest laptop is often the one you already own. But don't throw good money at a dying machine. Be strategic. Emotional payoff. Viewer value. Think about how many people replace laptops unnecessarily. Not because they're broken, but because they don't understand them. Now you do. You're no longer just a user. You're an informed owner. And informed owners save money. If this video saved you from buying a new laptop, do me a quick favor. Like the video, subscribe for smarter repair guides. Share this with someone about to replace their laptop, and tell me in the comments, have you ever repaired a laptop? Or are you afraid to try? I read every comment. See you in the next video.